Looking for the best culinary schools near you? Perhaps you've been nurturing a passion for cooking, stirring up delicious creations in your kitchen, and now you're ready to take it to the next level. Choosing the right culinary school is a key ingredient in the recipe for a successful culinary career. It's about more than just learning to chop an onion or bake a pie, it's about crafting your future. If so, you've come to the right place. We've compiled a list of the top culinary schools in your area. Let's dive into the top culinary schools near you. First up, we have the renowned Culinary Institute of Excellence. Known for its rigorous and comprehensive curriculum, this institute offers a unique blend of theoretical knowledge and practical exposure. With state-of-the-art kitchen facilities and a faculty comprising of seasoned industry professionals, it nurtures students' passion for cooking and helps them master the art and science of fine dining. Next, we have Le Gourmet Culinary School. This prestigious institution is celebrated for its focus on international cuisines. Here, students can explore the culinary traditions of many different cultures under the guidance of a diverse faculty. Le Gourmet's reputation in the culinary industry is unrivaled, with graduates often finding placements in top restaurants worldwide. Our third school, the Gastronomic Academy, is a pioneer in sustainable and farm-to-table cooking. They offer a unique program that combines traditional culinary techniques with the latest trends in sustainable food production. The Academy's strong network with local farmers and artisans provides students with a hands-on experience of sourcing and preparing ingredients. Fourth in line, we have the Baker's Delight Pastry School. As the name suggests, this school specializes in the art of baking and pastry making. With its dedicated pastry labs and experienced faculty, Baker's Delight is the go-to institute for those looking to specialize in desserts. Their graduates are often found creating delectable pastries in top patisseries around the globe. Lastly, we have the Innovative Food and Tech Institute. This school stands out for its unique focus on the intersection of food and technology. Their curriculum is designed to equip students with the skills to navigate the future of the culinary industry, from using cutting-edge kitchen gadgets to understanding the science behind food. These culinary schools are the crème de la crème, offering a variety of programs to suit every aspiring chef's needs. Now, let's illuminate the key features of these culinary schools. First and foremost, the courses offered are pivotal. Ideally, a well-rounded culinary school will offer a broad spectrum of courses, from the fundamentals of cooking to more specialized areas like pastry arts or ethnic cuisine. This diverse curriculum can provide you with a comprehensive understanding of culinary arts and help you discover your unique culinary passion. Next, we have the experience and qualifications of the faculty. The instructor's expertise can significantly shape your culinary journey. Look for schools with faculty who have a wealth of industry experience, stellar qualifications, and perhaps even a few culinary awards under their belts. The school's reputation also plays a crucial role. A culinary school with a strong reputation often has a proven track record of producing successful graduates. This can be a testament to the quality of education provided and can potentially open doors for you in the competitive food industry. Last but certainly not least, opportunities for practical experience are key. Theoretical knowledge is important, but it's in the kitchen where the magic happens. Look for schools that offer practical experience through internships, externships, or on-site restaurants. This hands-on practice can give you a taste of the real-world challenges and rewards of the culinary profession. Remember, the right culinary school can set the stage for a successful career in the food industry. To summarize, we've explored the top culinary schools in your area. We've ventured into the depth of their curriculum, highlighting the diversity and richness in culinary arts education they offer. From classic French techniques to innovative fusion cuisine, each school offers a unique flavor to your learning journey. We've underscored the importance of their state-of-the-art facilities, which provide a vibrant environment to hone your culinary skills. We've also noted the value of their industry connections, providing opportunities for exciting internships and potential job placements. More importantly, we've emphasized the necessity of choosing a school that resonates with your career aspirations. Whether it's gourmet cooking, pastry making, or restaurant management, these schools offer specialized tracks that align with your goals. Remember, your choice of culinary school is a significant step towards your dream. Whether you dream of becoming a world-renowned chef or running your own restaurant, these culinary schools can help you turn your passion into a fruitful career. Explore these options and set your culinary